In this video, I'm going to play a game of chess. Do it! To set up a soundboard
on my iPad. So let me show you some of the sound effects.
Dreams be dreams.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, so that was the idea. It might have been a little bit better in my head. You might also notice that I have a cow costume on. The video before this, or maybe a couple videos before this, should have been me explaining purple cow theory in a cow costume. And yeah, the reason I'm wearing this isn't that complicated. It's something to try to stand out.
Do it! Yes, you can!
Use it for a Halloween costume. So
Yes!
Alright, so I know I just said let's get into the chess game, but I want to go change the chessboard a little bit.
Hell no!
I also just played another free chess game. This is the second take. Crazy, right? Anyway, let's get started.
Just do it!
So,
I played 5 games so far. This is a new chess.com account. I made this, as you can see, 3 days ago. And I got Mr. Bread YTV. What's crazy is Mr. Bread and Mr. Bread YT was taken, or were taken. It's late, guys. It's 12:46, so I may not have the most coherent sentences throughout this whole video, I'm not gonna lie. And I did tell you guys this is the second take. Now, why is it the second take? Well, I did lose the last game. That is true.
Oh my god!
In the last video. And, yeah, the commentary wasn't too terrible in the last take. I decided to make another take. And it's better because I have a rating this time. Do I have the chat? Oh my god, I have the chat this time. In the last take, it was still disabled. Hey, how's it going? In the last take, I was mentioning how I want to talk to people in the chat, and ask them if they like bread.
crazy, right? Wow.
See, there's always something when it comes to content. Something going on. That's the thing, it's like, you have to expect the unexpected. I like bread. What about you? What else should I say, guys? Yeah, I have the soundboard.
And it's not a good idea to do this. You should be focusing fully on your game in front of you.
But I wanted to do things to try to make this more engaging than just a normal chess game. As I said in the intro, I'm wearing this cow costume. I got it in March. March was a month where I got really excited about content. And a month where I probably gained the most subscribers. It's kind of crazy. Okay, I don't like this. I don't like this at all, really. What do I do? Here. Easy to take here, and then that's hanging. No, not if I do that though. That's great. What I didn't want to happen was I go back somewhere and then this pawn just sucks. Yeah, I like the chess.com. I say this in a lot of my chess videos. I really like the chess.com, features that
Let you explain what you're doing on the board. Just like the arrows and the red dots.
and the circles that show you all the possible moves. That is a great feature that I definitely appreciate.
Okay, so I'm targeting this square. It's got 3 attackers. You can defend, but if he defends, take here. That's a terrible idea, because then he'll attack. Chess is a game of constant planning, obviously.
What else to say? Today I had the idea, guys, to record one chess game every single day for 50 days. I want to point out that I had the idea, not that I'm going to do it. It's a lot easier to have an idea of something than to to do it. But I could. I mean, if this video somehow gets like, even like 250 views, I'll do something like that. Yeah, if this video gets 250 views, it means it's a good video. My last videos have been doing pretty bad. I got 6 views, 30, 19. The one before that, here, let me show you guys real quick. 14, 30, 19, 419. These 3, check this out. This was a good run. Then a little bit of a decent run here. I'm in the early stages of YouTube, guys. I told you I'm very excited about it. I have big plans. I keep mentioning this last take, but in the last take, What's up, guys? So I'm in editing right now, and I just wanted to quickly say, at this point in the video, I ended up talking for 2 minutes without moving, and I realized at the end of the 2 minutes, and I'm like, damn, that was dumb. I'm sorry. And yeah, I was pretty dumb. But I also just want to say, I've been wanting to represent my subscriber count in every single video in some way. And so today, I have 195 subscribers at the time of recording, maybe when this posts. Right now, I plan to post it on July 5th. It's June 29th at the time of recording. But I walked on the Stairmaster for 195 steps. Actually, no, screw that. I drew 195 on chalk. Yeah, so... Alright, back to the video. Talked about how this video... I talked about how there's a rare chance that anybody's watching to this point in the video. We're what, like... We're 5 minutes in right now. So I was saying, the only way people are watching this far into the video is if I became a decently popular YouTuber in the future and people went back to watch my old videos. Or it's just I get lucky and it gets a decent amount of views. Yeah, I mean, realistically, I think this is probably gonna get like 50 views. Low end, like, I think this is gonna get 20 views on the low end, hopefully. If this ends up being like a 20-minute video, which is definitely possible, I'm playing rapid, then that's gonna probably make it get less views because nobody wants to watch a 20-minute video. I should have thought about that before I started a rapid game, am I right? But I'll play Blitz next time. Yeah, I'm gonna play Blitz. So yeah, I showed you guys the sound effects in the intro. I like this one. 3% of my iPad though. I was charging it for like 30 minutes. This iPad is from 2020 and it's already like trash, bro. I'm sorry. Okay, I should be thankful, but it's like so slow. Like, I hit the home button and it goes to the home like a full second later. I swear. And when I'm like on Google, I'll click new tab, it'll make a new tab in like 2 full seconds. This song would be great if I made Checkmate. Okay, I hope that's not copyrighted. Oh, it's my turn? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's too late, guys. I need to film my videos. I need to film them. Okay, hold on. Check this out. I always check first. I need to film my videos not so late. You guys are probably looking at me like, what the flip is this guy doing? Why is he not moving? Okay, and now I'm doing great. I mean, this is pretty good. There's a lot of pressure over here. He can't go there. That's a little bit annoying. This pawn. How long was I keeping you guys waiting is the question. 2 minutes? Now you guys might see why this is the second take. But I'm gonna iterate. every video I make is slowly getting better. I've learned, this past week, I learned a lot about CapCut, man. Messed around with a lot of the effects. And it feels good to feel yourself getting better, even if slowly. Even if very slowly. So yeah, now we can start giving me a little bit of trouble here. Well, okay, here's the thing. Check this out. Let's say I hang this and I go here. If he takes with the queen. Oh wait, sorry. Yeah, if he takes with the queen, he's fine. But if I went somewhere like, let's say here, he takes with the queen, I can go back here, and that's actually a fork. But if he... This guy's 1160, you think he'll see that? You should never play hope chess, but unfortunately that is what I'm doing here. Well, take it. It's a free bishop. If he doesn't take it, I can go here. Ha, yeah. You should never play hope chess, guys, because he could have been completely fine in that position. Why am I playing hope chess? Because I am dumb. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I can go here, trade off the queen, then I'm chilling. Yeah, okay, he went there. So yeah, this video is gonna be kind of long. Let me see. 10 minutes in. Oh, sick! I'm genuinely excited that it's not super long. 10 minutes in. Just resign. Just resign, man. Come on. You're cooked. Or am I the one who's cooked? Great. Somehow, this is a pretty good position for him. I need to get my... That was pretty dumb too. I'm gonna go here. Okay. I wanna go here, here, start putting pressure. His bishop's strong. If he goes here, I'm actually fine, yeah. Oh, yeah. I can't take. But I am fine in terms of preventing a queen from being made. I am fine in that regard. 12 minutes? 12-minute video? And then the intro. Oh well. It's chill, man. It's a chill night. Just recording a YouTube video. I do feel rather chill currently.
Bruh.
When in doubt, push your pieces or some shit like that. See guys, it's like the SpongeBob sensor meme. That would trap his bishop. Check that out. You can check me, but that does do, yeah, well, check this out. I go here, he checks me, I attack him, he takes the pawn, I lose. Okay, I don't want to do that. Okay, well, I'll go here. Now he can't check me anymore. What else to say? What else to say? Why did he do that? That was dumb of him. Okay. Well, it's a clean win from here. Just gonna do some minimal editing. I'll put some music. I had the plan. Oh, great. Wait, I'm fine. I'm fine. Cool. I had the plan to edit the intro a lot, like put a T-Rex and explosions and just a ton of stuff. Did I do that? Only time will tell. All I need is one pawn, and it's that one. Congratulations, sir. You got chosen to be the holy pawn or something like that. Yeah, go ahead, buddy. Push your pawn. Push your pawn, buddy. Pre-moves? Do I not have pre-moves selected? Dude, I need to turn on pre-moves. I told you guys, new chess.com account. I need to put all my settings. That would be stalemate. Or would it? I don't want to stalemate. Okay, you know what, guys? Can we pull off a... Can we pull off a checkmate with a rook within... Within 49 seconds? Probably not, so... Okay, you know what? I guess I gotta bring the king. Jesus. That sucks. Wow. Oh my lord. Well, I don't want to lose on time. Okay. Jesus Louise. I'm doing terribly now. Alright, I guess it's a draw. It's unfortunate. Ooh. Or can I checkmate him?
Bruh.
Can I can't checkmate him. Or can I?
Bruh.
Am I going insane, guys? Yeah, okay, oh my god. Where was the possible checkmate? Okay, here. He went there. I had to go here? You know what? It's too late for this. That was the chess video. Let me know if you guys enjoyed. Yeah, it's an 18-minute video. It's gonna get like 4 views. But if you're one of those 4 viewers, one viewer making it this far into the video is worth it. Seriously. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.